Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Congress is in opposition. The people will definitely compare what was the Congress. You see, example like law and order. In the Congress we were doing well, law and order, everything was under control. But today the lawlessness is happening everywhere. And it's in terms of corruption. People said, these people used to say that Congress was corrupt. But for the last 3.5, almost 4 years, not a single scandal was there when the Congress was in power. But today you see, be in the roadside, be in the office, be in the, all those COVID camp used to check the people now become ATM of the UDP and NPP. If you go from here to from Shillong to Jawai, you see lots of small gate, police check it, forest check it, all those are ATMs for them to spend during the election. So these are the small examples where you see that the difference between the Congress time and this time. And in terms of farmers, you know, how the farmers are facing during the COVID time. And now we are taking those issues. Bachangplang is taking very strongly those issues on the farmers. So we have divided our works under different leaders. So there's lots of difference between the Congress rule time and the present government. And I went to so many places, people said they are fed up with the present government. We are with the Congress, but the Congress have to only give us good leaders, has to reach to us. Definitely we don't need money, we don't need any favor, but we want to see that we can win the elections. With that, we quite be inspired by the public whenever we have a public meeting. That's why I said we are confident that we'll win the election.